Ultra HD.
Yep.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
Nice and light for you.
Oh my gosh, it was
Wow.
something that I think that old sharp needs to be, let's say, put into pasture. So
Well, we
now,
can't put it in pasture because we need to play all the videos.
oh, we still have that. Okay, now you're gonna have it easy on your arm. Now we can have a
I think it's like, I think
person.
the weight is it's like 4 ounces or something like that.
Wow.
So
It's
you,
easy enough that you could use it, but
I expect you to do most of that. I'll be taking pictures. You'll be doing that.
I'll be supervising.
Very good. Carry on.
Wow, look at that.
Pretty amazing, huh?
Huh.
Is that amazing or what? Size-wise, how's it on your arm? It's going to be so
I
nice
can
if you
hardly
start.
feel it. It's
Woo!
lighter than your camera, I bet. Just a little bit.
Wow. Is there a case in there as well?
It's like a soft case, I think.
So you've heard of that, Lev?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's well known. They've like taken over the instant camcorder industry. In fact, they pretty much invented it, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah.